Okay guys, we're back for part 2. I'm going to be adventuring around the whole forest. There might be a lot of minutes during the video that there's no noise and it's just a camera. It's because I don't want to make too much noise. Because, yeah, also, because last time I came here, I met Rave, an insane person that is one of my rivals and also the rival of the Arkham Knight. So, it's also right next to the residential region and the residential district in Random region. Of course, this video is not going to be as short because of how huge this abandoned biking trail is. Like so, but it probably won't go over 10 minutes. So, there's a bunch of like trees that have fallen over for some reason. And there's like tents in the trees. It's a very interesting place. And over here is where I last met Rave. It was a pretty scary encounter, to say the least, since Rave was wielding some type of ability or special thing. Well, I guess we'll start heading back since I've showed you this whole entire place, adventurers. But there's still an area back there that I haven't shown you yet, so I'll go over there. I'll just be sighting some views of the forest while I run back here. And here's an area back here. I originally thought these were diamonds, but it's just trash. The owners of this area are pretty selfish. They kept all this area to themselves for no reason. And here's like a trail back there that leads to the owner's house. There's some more tents. And after I get back over here, that'll be the end of the adventure. I feel like I just saw a sign. Oh crap, I'm lost. Okay, I think it's this way. Okay, I'm back.